Hey everyone, this is Karthik from Gadgets Freeze. Today we are going to see about two new products which has been launched recently by Realme. Realme was very successful in the smartphone segment in India from budget to premium segments, and they were very well received by the customers. Realme has launched two new TVs which is 32-inch HD TV and 43-inch Full HD TV. Both are Google certified Android TV. If you are new to this channel and if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so whenever we are posting a new video you will get the notifications. So Realme has launched two new TVs and it is available for sale in Flipkart and realme.com from starting tomorrow, that is June 2. I will give the link on the below and you can go and check on this for the Flipkart. So what's the difference between two TVs, that is 32-inch and 43-inch? The main difference which I can notice is the first, the resolution, and the second, the screen size. Do we have any other difference? No, I don't think so. I'm not able to find any other difference from these two TVs apart from the screen size and resolution. The processor, RAM, everything was same. These Realme TVs comes with an Chroma Boost engine which we have already seen in the Realme smartphones. So this will gives the boost to the picture and it will make us the display bright. So and these both the TVs comes with an Android OS which is certified by Google. So as the TV runs on the certified Google OS, we'll have access to the Play Store where we can download n number of apps from the Play Store. For this, the TV comes with 1 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage and a dedicated processor from the MediaTek, which is 64-bit. So and the TV also comes with a dedicated Google Assistant button on the remote which will allow us to ask questions, set reminders and do much more on the TV as we like do on the smartphones. This is an additional feature where it will help us to use the TV as an user friendly. The TV comes with an built-in Chromecast which allows us to connect the TV with the mobile. We can see what are the things available on the smartphone in the TV with the Google Chromecast. In this segment, this is the first TV to come with 4 speakers, 2 tweeters and 2 normal speakers. So like this comes under the bottom of the TV which help us to receive the sound in a good quality even during the more volume. So it comes with the Dolby audio support, so it will be very crisp and clear to hear. The next, it comes with multiple ports which help us to connect with multiple options like antenna, audio video output, USB and LAN port for the using, and it also comes with Wi-Fi support. So like it's also supports Bluetooth 5.0. So it comes with 2 USB port, 3 HDMI port and 1 LAN port and 1 AV port and 1 digital audio output port. So what's the next? Next is the smart remote. The smart remotes comes with an stylish companion, like it comes with your Netflix button, YouTube button and Amazon Prime, which can be directly opened through the smart remote. Next we can see the difference between the two TVs. So the main difference, as I said, is the only the screen type, sorry, screen size and the resolution. So for 32 inch it comes with 1366 into 768, and for the 43 inch it comes with 1920 into 1080p. So the rest are all same between the both the TVs. Like sound output is 24 watts, speak configuration is 4 units, and Dolby audio support, and Android OS, Chroma Boost support, everything are same. Thank you for watching.